Good morning, everyone.
Oh my God, look, there's a croc in the water.
Oh dear. We are at the mighty Mekong River. We stayed in a nice little town last night. 15 US a night. We found out why it was 15 US a night. It was noisy all night. The trucks, there's a main road that comes through and the trucks just bang, bang, bang all night. And then of course the call to prayer at 4:30 this morning. Woke us all up. So we are up nice and early. We are heading to Siem Reap this morning. Yeah.
5-hour drive it's supposed to be.
5 hour 49 minutes. So it's probably going to take us all day because yesterday we only made it 5 hours away from Phnom Penh. It took us all day. So yeah, join us. At least this time we've got our hotel booked, so we know where we're staying tonight.
And we know that it's good.
Yeah, so yeah, join us on our next leg of the adventure.
Early mornings in Asian countries are always the best. It's less traffic. People are going about, getting ready for the day. It's calm. There's birds. It's just got a completely different feel to the afternoon and night. It's peaceful.
Google Maps, you've done it again. So as you can see on the map, we're supposed to keep going straight ahead, but
That's the Mekong.
there's the Mekong. And just so you know, it's not a small little section, it's huge. So yeah, obviously in dry season there's a road that goes along here, but at the moment it's all fully flooded because it's wet season. Crazy. So yeah, we got to the end of the path and there's a man with his fishing boat and his fishing nets, and yeah, so good one, Google.
As always, here's the drone shot.
TukTuks make a great landing pad. So we've just stopped on the side of the road at this little restaurant thing. There seems to be a lot of people here, so we're like, yeah, sweet, let's stop here. And this guy, the parking guy here, is putting cardboard on top of everybody's windscreens to stop the heat from coming in. I think that's so cool. Here, you want me to show you?
Yeah.
Look. Cardboard on top of everyone's windscreens. I think that's awesome. Alright, let's go eat because we're hungry. That whole meal for 3 of us. There's 2 iced coffees, 3 big meals, and some spring rolls, and a Coke. 25 US. It's not bad. Not a bad deal.
We've noticed a lot of phone shops here, so Jesse really needs a new phone cover. So we're going to see if we can find him one. I'm not super hopeful because most of them are Oppos and Samsungs, so not many iPhones.
Well, there's one.
iPhone cover, case. Alright, all good. Thank you. Hello. You have 10, 12? 10, 12. Do you have screen? That one's a bit broken. How much? $20. Akun. Thank you. That's the blue shop. You want it in blue? We got you.
Want it in red? Go drop dead. Holy shit, I can't believe I just did that.
I was just like, oh, well, this is either gonna work or I'm gonna know it didn't.
It worked. So sorry, everyone.
Thankfully, unlike the last town, I have actually pre-booked this hotel.
Taxi?
And we are staying at the Urban in Siem Reap.
Just
Check
so
it
you
out. Okay, we have arrived. Checking in. With all hotels, you got to give them your passport. So I'm handing over our passports. They're going to bring us some welcome drinks. Lucas parking the tuk-tuk, and he should come in any moment now. Beautiful here.
That trip we just took in the tuk-tuk today was absolutely brutal. I am exhausted. The highway is so full on. It's one or the other. It's either boring as hell or you're fighting to stay alive. The city, not so much. The city is actually quite easy to drive through. Especially when you just drive through the middle of everyone. Oh man.
We had some afternoon tea and relaxed for the rest of the day because the next day we were getting up at 4 a.m. to join the crowds for the equinox at Angkor Wat. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and hit subscribe if you want to see more.